Understanding, Tracking Down, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, tracking down. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and track down the meaning of tracking down. Tracking down is a phrasal verb in English. It means to search for someone or something until you find them. This phrase is often used when the search requires effort and persistence. For example, if you've lost your keys and you search everywhere until you find them, you are tracking them down. The term tracking originally comes from the action of following the tracks or signs left by animals or people. This is why tracking down often implies a careful, observant search. In everyday conversation, you might hear it in various contexts, like tracking down a rare book, finding an old friend, or even locating a missing document at work. To better understand tracking down, let's see some examples. 1. I spent the whole afternoon tracking down the perfect gift for her birthday. 2. Our team is tracking down the source of the technical issue. 3. Can you help me track down my glasses? I've misplaced them again. These examples show how tracking down is used in different scenarios, emphasizing the effort in the search process. When using tracking down, remember, it's used for situations where the search is challenging. Don't confuse it with just tracking, which can mean simply to follow or monitor something without the implication of a search. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, tracking down, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your daily life. See you in the next video, and happy learning!